did you find it? Did you find the mistake that I made in the I Am Loved Kids Journal on your My Favorites page? This page, did you find it? I imagine that you found it under movies, that movies is misspelled. You know what? There's a few other spelling mistakes. Mistakes are okay. In fact, it shows that we're human. None of us are perfect. We're all going to make mistakes and we're all going to mess up at some time. Mistakes give us a chance to learn and they give us a chance to try again. What matters is how we handle the mistakes. How do we respond? What do we think about ourselves and what do we say out loud when we make that mistake? Throw out those words that say, oh, I'm stupid. I'm not good enough. Oh, I keep trying and I just can't get this right. I'll just give up. No, those are the words that you want to throw out as far away from you as you can get it and think and speak what is the truth. I will do my best next time. Wow, I appreciate the opportunity to learn and grow so that I can become the best me that I can be. I care about you so much and I want you to remember that mistakes are okay. Think the truth, speak the truth, and you will win the next time.